Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. That's me, the Jabby from TNT. It's the public holiday here in Trinidad. Husband and I are on our way to Chaguanas to have some adventure and some. It's been a while since we've been to Chaguanas market, but I'm pretty excited. I'm thinking about doing some boiled corn today, grabbing some other fresh vegetables. So let's see what we get. If you haven't been to the market in a while, I really suggest you take a drive and go check out one this weekend. It's absolutely fun, absolutely amazing seeing all these fresh produce. To be honest, I can't remember how long we stayed, but I went for a couple of things and left with 2 bags full of fresh produce. Thankfully, I had my handyman Kosem here to help me out with those 2 bags. For many girls, you know, they get excited over makeup hauls and stuff. When I got home, I emptied the 2 bags and I was going crazy over the amount of stuff that I bought. It wasn't a makeup haul, it was more like a market haul. I was so excited to get started on the boiled corn, I wasted no time. So of course you have to clean it, wash them and clean them properly. And what you can do also is cut them in half to make them easier to work with. So I cleaned all of them, I cut them, I put some aside as well because I'm going to be showing you guys 2 different methods on how you can go about boiling corn. One is with coconut milk and some lots of fresh herbs. The other one is a simple boiling with just the herbs and no coconut milk. So once we clean them and wash them, we put them up to boil in a pot of water. When they start to boil, add some fresh seasoning to them. I added thyme, rosemary, garlic, shadow benny, chives, every possible thing you could think about herbs-wise. Fresh parsley, pepper, pimentos, all of that just goes straight into it. But I did not add all of the green seasoning all at once. So during the, as it was boiling, I would add a little bit more, and then coming down to like the last few minutes, you want to add the majority of the green seasoning, like the last couple, like 10 minutes or so. So you're going to let these boil for about an hour and a half. If you're like my husband, he likes it very soft. So we left it for about an hour and a half, and come down to the last few minutes, I added more green seasoning, and ta-da, delicious boiled corn to eat. Now the other way is just a simple way. Put up the corn to boil like we did for the previously, and all we do into it is add in some coconut milk and some of the fresh green seasoning as well to it. Now the coconut milk, you can choose to boil it only in coconut milk. I added coconut milk and also some water to it as well, and this way it gives a lot more flavor than the regular boiled corn with no coconut milk added to it. Can't decide which one I prefer yet. I guess both ways work fine for me. But this is just to give you 2 options on how you can go about putting together some delicious boiled corn. And you're going to boil it for the same hour and a half, depending on how it is. And then look at this, you've got some delicious boiled corn. Now this actually finished in no time at all because it was just so delicious. Be sure you remember to put salt as well in your water when you're boiling it. So this is a super short video, but just want to say thanks so much for watching it. Make sure and take a trip to the Chaguanas market, or any market for that matter, sometime soon. You will have a lot of fun, and be sure to grab a cold coconut after, and don't forget to pick up the doubles as well. Can't make market trips without doubles and coconut on the side of the street.